reference precipitates. Everybody should be on the unknown. And if you're past procedure 6, that means you're working on 7, 8, 9, and also 10, 11, 12. You can finish that out. The only thing you can't do in procedure 10, you divided your sample into 2 parts. In 10B, that was the test for cadmium. You need ammonium sulfide, so save that half of the solution until my ammonium sulfide comes in, and they said it would arrive Thursday, which doesn't do us much good today. So save half for this test until it comes in. But now you can finish out the entire experiment. Okay, that's worth 45 points. That's better than doing experiment 4, which is worth 15 points. Now people that are working on experiment 3, after you've completed procedure 15, if you've already completed that, then the rest of the procedures do not require ammonium sulfide. So you can continue with procedures after procedure 15. In order, if you completed 15, you can complete the whole experiment. The remainder of the people will be turning in clean test tubes and working on experiment 4. I did the pre-lab. Most of those are really simple precipitates. You've made enough precipitates in your career already in this lab that you can do those without the reference ones. If you want the reference ones, all you do is calculate your drops, put the drops into a test tube, and add the particular reagent. That will give you more precipitate than you would get for a medium if you went through the entire procedure, but not much more, because you don't have a chance of losing anything. You're really careful and don't lose things as you go along your various steps, and it doesn't matter. So you can do the known precipitate test simultaneously with the separation of the different ions in procedure 4. Then, when we come back on Monday, we will have ammonium sulfide. We'll continue as we've been doing before. You just take up where you left off. You should be able to finish procedure experiment 4 today, because it's a fairly quick lab. That's why I put 1 day for the known, 1 day for the unknown in the original schedule. So what we're doing now is doing them simultaneously. For people that can't do this, and you can't continue with this, this is what you'll do. In response to popular demand, I do have a take-home quiz for the weekend. So, because you didn't hear what I was going to do next. On Monday, I'm going to have our 12th quiz as a regular quiz. Normally, I save the take-home for the last quiz, but today I'll do that so that in other words, we'll meet where we normally meet on Monday. But about the only thing I'm going to do is give you a quiz. What? I don't care if you come by on Tuesday. You can watch my 1A people take their quiz. Okay? So we'll do the quiz at 8. The take-home quizzes due at 8. So make sure you get there at 8. For people that have been sleeping till 9:30 or whatever time you get over, to the class, I guess. Okay, what else am I doing here? I'm going to finish up all the lecture material. That's what I'm going to do. So everybody understands this. I'm not going to leave it up here because I want some board space for lecture. By the way, as soon as when I'm done talking, you want to get a test tube ready. And for people that are doing this, you'll need a clean test tube for your unknown. And I'll have platinum wires in the rack over there for the flame test. I only have about 2 flame testers, so you can't take it to your locker and let it sit there. As soon as you have something ready for a flame test, come up, pick up the flame tester, do your flame test. It should take about a minute. Bring the flame tester back and put it in the rack so the next person can use it.